Okay, my friends, welcome back to our practice set. They have us taking improper fractions and converting them into mixed numbers. And our first is A, and it's 7 over 2, or 7 halves. So we ask ourselves, how many halves can we get out of the number 7? We take 7, we divide it by 2, our denominator, and we know 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1, and so 7 halves is the equivalent of 3 and 1/2. And they want you to draw a picture in this manner. And if you look, there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 halves, but if it were in a mixed number, it would be converted to 3 and 1/2. The next problem is 12 thirds. Here we go. What's our first step? Okay. I want you to pause and I want you to write these down in your notebook, and I want you to do them and then come back to me and we will correct. Okay? So now that you've come back and you have done this, let's correct. 12 over 3, what do? We take our numerator, 12, we divide it by 3. 3 goes into 12 how many times? 4. 4 times 3 is 12. No remainders. It's a happy ending. So this is how we would represent this if we were drawing it. We have thirds, and we would cut this up into thirds. And let's count how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And as you can see, 12 thirds equals 4 wholes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Don't you love when it all comes together so smoothly? 8 thirds. What do? We take our numerator, the number 8, we divide it by 3. 8 can go into 3 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. We subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2 is our remainder. So we know that this is going to be remainder of 2. And we know that this is going to be 2 wholes and 2 thirds. And this will become, let's take and draw this out. And what are we working with? Our denominator is thirds. So you guys don't laugh at how I'm trying to do this evenly, but it's a little tricky sometimes. So don't laugh too hard. And we shade in 8 thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And looky here. We have 2 wholes and 2 thirds. Okay, our final one, sorry, this is getting kind of messy, is 15 fifths. Now you and I can see already this is going to be good. We have 15, we divide it by 5, and we say 5 can go into 15 how many times? 5, 10, 15, 3. 3 times 5, 15, subtract 0, another happy ending, yay! Now this is the tricky part, how to make fifths when we're drawing this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so, and we just colored these all in. And there you have it. our practice set of changing improper fractions to whole or mixed numbers. As you can see, sometimes there will be a whole number and a fraction. Sometimes we will have just whole numbers. And so a lot will depend on how well you understand your math. One last thing to note, when we see a fraction or an improper fraction, it's another way to show that we can divide. And this is how we do it. So thanks for your hard work and good luck on the homework.